Hello guys, my name is Vaishnavi. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Learn and Fun with Vaishnavi. Today I am going to discuss the subject Science, Chapter 1, Food. Where does it come from? Food. Food is any edible substance consumed by a living things to get nutritional support and energy. सभी जीवित प्राणियों को जीवित रहने के लिए और ऊर्जा के लिए भोजन की आवश्यकता होती है. Food provide energy to perform work, growth and development of the body, maintain the functions of the body organs and good health. खाने से हमें काम करने के लिए ऊर्जा मिलती है. खाने से हमारे शरीर का शारीरिक और मानसिक विकास होता है. We obtain food from three sources. They are plants, animals and nature. We get food from plants like fruits, grains, pulses, cereals, etc. We get food from animals like egg, meat, milk, honey, etc. Ingredients of food obtained from nature are salt and water. पेड़ पौधों से हमें फल, अनाज, दालें इत्यादि मिलते हैं. जानवर से हमें अंडे, मीट, दूध और शहद मिलता है इत्यादि. हमें प्राकृतिक से नमक और पानी मिलता है. Parts of plants as food. The food we eat is obtained from plants mainly. Some plants like mango, rose, lychee, etc. Given below is the list of parts of plants that we consume. हम ज़्यादातर खाना पेड़ पौधों से प्राप्त करते हैं, जैसे आम, लीची, दालें इत्यादि. From stem we get banana, sugarcane, lotus, etc. From leaves we get spinach, mustard, cabbage, etc. From fruits we get brinjal, papaya, etc. From roots we get radish, carrot, turnip, etc. From birds we get clove. From flowers we get pumpkin, rose, cauliflowers, etc. From seeds we get mustard, coriander, pulses, etc. From bark we get cinnamon. The insects which provide us honey are known as honeybees. मधुमक्खियों से हमें शहद मिलता है. The honeybees collect nectar, means sweet juice obtained from flowers. मधुमक्खी फूलों के रस से शहद बनाती है. The large scale for the production of honey is known as apiculture. मधुमक्खी पालन को apiculture कहते हैं. Honey consists of water, sugar, minerals and enzymes. It is an antiseptic which destroys the growth of microorganisms and is easily digestible. For the reason, honey is usually used in Ayurvedic medicines. शहद को हम आयुर्वेदिक औषधि के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Milk is obtained from the animals like cow, buffalo, goat, etc. Milk is rich in vitamin D and calcium. हमें दूध गाय, भैंस, बकरी आदि से मिलता है. दूध में विटामिन डी और कैल्शियम की मात्रा अधिक होती है. The animals which provide us milk are called milk animals. The edible food items such as ghee, curd, butter, cheese which are made from milk are called dairy products. जो जानवर हमें दूध मिलता है उन्हें हम मिल्क एनिमल्स कहते हैं. दूध से हमें घी, दही, मक्खन इत्यादि प्राप्त होते हैं, उन्हें हम डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स कहते हैं. Poultry farming is the rearing and managing the domesticated birds like chicken, turkey, ducks, etc. to produce milk, meat or eggs for food, and such birds are called poultry birds. Rearing of fish on a large scale for obtaining their meat is called pisciculture. The people who do not eat any product obtained from animals such as meat, eggs, dairy products are called vegans. पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग में हम चिकन, टर्की, डक्स पालते हैं। मीट और अंडे के लिए उन्हें हम पोल्ट्री बर्ड्स कहते हैं। मछली पालन को हम पिसीकल्चर बोलते हैं। वे लोग जो जानवरों से प्राप्त हुए भोजन जैसे मीट, अंडे, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं खाते, उन्हें हम वेजन्स कहते हैं। Ingredients: these are the edible substances which are required to prepare a dish. It advised that we should eat cooked food because हमें पका हुआ खाना खाना चाहिए क्योंकि by cooking harmful germs present in the food are killed. खाना पकाने से हानिकारक कीटाणु मर जाते हैं। Cooked food can easily be digested and absorbed by our body. पका हुआ खाना हमारे शरीर में आसानी से पच जाता है। Cooking also enhances the taste of our food and makes the food soft so that we can chew it easily. खाना पकाने से नरम हो जाता है जिससे हम खाना आसानी से चबा लेते हैं। We cook food to make it tastier and easy to digest, but we should not overcooking because vitamin C get destroyed easily by overcooking. खाना हमें ज़्यादा नहीं पकाना चाहिए क्योंकि उससे विटामिन सी खत्म हो जाते हैं। Spices are the aromatic natural substances that are obtained from the various parts of plants such as the bark, bud or seeds. They make our food colorful and attractive, enhance the flavor of and aroma of our food, and also help in preserving some of the food items. But if we put them excessively in a dish, then they can spoil and taste of the food and can also create health problems. Sprouting: when the seeds begin to grow or germinate by developing tiny roots, they are called sprouts. Sprouts is rich in protein, vitamin A, B and C. जब बीज में से छोटी जड़ें निकलने लगे उन्हें हम स्प्राउट्स कहते हैं। स्प्राउट्स में विटामिन A, B और C और प्रोटीन्स हमें अधिक मात्रा में प्राप्त होते हैं। Classification of animals on the basis of their food. The method of eating or choice of food followed by the living organisms is called their food habit. Herbivorous: animals which eat only plant products, example cow, goat, etc., are called herbivorous. Carnivorous: those animals which eat only other animals as food by hunting them, example lion, tiger, etc., are called carnivorous. Omnivorous: those animals which eat both plants and animals, example human beings, bear, etc., are called omnivores. Scavengers: those are the animals eat flesh of the other dead animals, example vulture, etc., are called scavengers. Decomposers: those are the organisms which feed on the dead remains of plants and animals, example bacteria, fungi, are called decomposers. Stop food wasting. As a responsible citizen of the country, we must avoid wastage of food. Take only food in our plate that we can finish. हमें उतना खाना लेना चाहिए प्लेट में जितना हम खा सकें. We cook only that much food which is needed. Leftover food must be given to a needy person or to an animal. हमें उतना ही खाना पकाना चाहिए जितना हमें ज़रूरत हो. बचा हुआ खाना हमें ज़रूरतमंदों या जानवरों को दे देना चाहिए. We must thank God for giving us meal a day. Otherwise, there are millions of people who are starving because they can't afford to buy food. हमें भगवान से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए कि हमें खाना मिल रहा है, वरना बहुत से लोग ऐसे जिन्हें एक समय का खाना भी नहीं मिल पाता. Photosynthesis. It is the process through which green plants make food in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Parts of plant. A plant has two main parts, root system and shoot system. Root system is the part of the plant present below the ground. Shoot system is the part of the plant which is above the ground surface. A leaf, also known as food factory of the plant, helps the plant in photosynthesis, transpiration and respiration. जमीन के नीचे वाले हिस्से को रूट सिस्टम कहते हैं और जमीन के ऊपरी वाले हिस्से को शूट सिस्टम कहते हैं. As you can see in the diagram, in the shoot system you can see flower, fruit, stem, leaf, bud. In the root system you can see primary root and secondary root. Functions of stem: to bear fruits, leaves, flowers, branches, etc. To transport water and minerals from roots to the different parts of the plant, and food prepared by the leaves to the different parts of the plant to provide support to the plant. Green stems also perform photosynthesis, and some stems like potato, onion also store food. Function of fruit. A fruit protects the seed from climatic conditions. It stores the food material for the plant. It attracts the animals which eat the fruit along with the seeds. Seeds, being hard, can't be digested by them and are excreted at different places, and hence the new plant starts growing there. Function of flower. Flowers become fruit and the fruit produces seeds. To this way flowers help in the reproduction of a plant. Notes. These are the points on a stem from where the buds, leaves and branches originate. Internodes. The distance between two successive nodes is known as internodes. Axil. It is the upper angle formed between a leaf and the stem. Axillary means lateral, but it gives rise to new leaves or branches. Terminal mean apical bud. It is the bud located at the tip of the stem. It helps the plant to grow vertically. Flower bud. A bud that will develop into a flower is called flower bud. Importance of plants. Plants are very important for us because they give us food from all different parts of the plant. Flowers, fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, stems and leaves. Some plants give us medicine. Trees are used to make paper and furniture. They clean the air as they take carbon dioxide, which is bad for us, and expel oxygen, which is good for us. Plants provide habitat for animals and humans. Plants protect the soil from erosion. Thank you. Bye.